you must be here because you're done with the constant email clutter, right? Well, you're not alone, and the fix is easier than you think. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to the part 2 of our Gmail hacks series. With a few smart Gmail tricks, you can turn your chaotic inbox into a productivity powerhouse. Start by saving time with email templates. Instead of typing the same replies over and over, create ready-to-go messages. You can reuse them anytime. Gmail even lets you draft emails in Google Docs and send them directly. Feeling stuck without Wi-Fi? Gmail Offline has you covered. It lets you read, reply, and organize emails even when you're not connected. Smart Compose is another lifesaver. It predicts what you want to say and finishes sentences for you, keeping your emails fast and consistent. And to stay on top of everything, turn on desktop notifications so new messages pop up instantly without you refreshing your inbox. Take it a step further with nested labels, which create subcategories under main labels, perfect for tracking months, projects, or priority tasks. And don't forget priority inbox. It automatically moves your most important emails to the top so you see them first. Where part 1 explained how you could label, filter, prioritize your emails along with keyboard shortcuts, now with these simple hacks, your inbox might stop feeling like a never-ending dump, but you must watch the next part for more hacks that'll definitely make your Gmail life easy. But before that, like this video, comment the hack you already knew, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.